Yes, all of you can hear me. Sorry, the meeting was ended. So,
Sir, attendance.
attendance, I will take it from the participant list. Okay, I will take a screenshot of this. How many students are there? Okay. Yes, any other doubts, students? Any other doubts? See, I think all of you have joined. I will try to take the screenshot of this. Okay, and I will try to take the attendance. No issue of the attendance. See, what about the doubts, students? I don't think that all of you have understood everything. There might be some doubts. I want you all to ask the doubts. So all of you have understood everything. Students, all of you have understood everything.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. See, there is a question. Sir, can we combine 2 and 3 to make 3-stroke engine as it has same level? See, that is all a different thing. Okay, that all things are a lot of research is going on in that. Okay, how to make a 3-stroke engine, how to make a 5-stroke engine, 6-stroke engines. There are many types of engines. Okay, so that is all a different thing. We will study it later. Yes, another question. See, very important thing. Yes, all of you can hear me, students, now. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, Khan Aftab Alam.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
See, listen. How ignition and exhaust knows when to release and when to exhaust. Now, see, the arrangement is made in such a way, the arrangement is made in such a way that when, the crankshaft is rotating, now, when the crankshaft is rotating, when it rotates 2 times, the camshaft rotates 1 time. Okay. You have understood about that. Why the crankshaft should rotate 2 times, and in that 2 times, the camshaft should rotate only 1 time. Okay, why? Because in one cycle, when the piston moves, okay, when the piston moves, when the piston is moving, what is happening? Students, can you tell me what when the piston is moving? Students, see, when the piston is moving for 1 stroke, how many degrees of rotation is taking in the crankshaft? Can you tell me in the chat box, students? If in one stroke, how many degree of rotation of crankshaft is taking place? See, in one stroke, 180-degree rotation is taking place. Okay, in one stroke, the arrangement is made. See, the setting is made in such a way that when the piston is moving from up to the down, okay, the piston is moving from up to down, then the crankshaft is rotating. Okay, the crankshaft is rotating 180 degrees, students. The crankshaft is downwards. Okay, the crankshaft is rotating 180 degrees. Okay, this crankshaft, you can observe it here. See, okay, so the crankshaft is rotating 180 degrees. So in 4 strokes, how many rotations is possible? How many degrees? Yes, tell me first, in 4 strokes, how many degrees will be completed? If in one stroke, 180 degree of rotation of crankshaft is going on, okay, it rotates 180 degrees. 180 degrees means half rotation. Okay, so in 4 strokes, that will be 720. Okay, 720 means 720 degrees means 2 rotations of the crankshaft. Okay, 2 rotations of the crankshaft is taking in one cycle. So in one cycle, if the crankshaft rotates 2 times, the camshaft should rotate only 1 time. The camshaft should rotate only 1 time, okay, when the crankshaft rotates 2 times. Why? Because if the camshaft is rotating, see here in the video, students, if the camshaft is rotating here, okay, what is happening? See, when the camshaft, okay, when it is rotating, in one, you have learned about the cams, okay, reciprocating and rotating motions. All of you have learned about it. So, see, if in one rotation, the cam, if in one cycle, the inlet valve should open only 1 time, because it has to, in one cycle, it has to take the air fuel mixture inside, okay, and the exhaust valve should also open only 1 time. So if in one cycle the inlet valve should open only 1 time, the exhaust valve should also open only 1 time. So that is why with the help of chain drive we have made an arrangement so that the crankshaft, when it rotates 2 times, the camshaft will rotate only 1 time, and this cam will rotate only 1 time, and it will push the piston down only 1 time in one cycle. And after that, okay, if this is pushed, after some time this camshaft is also rotating, and this cam, when it see the oval shape, when it comes down, it will push this arrangement, okay, and this valve will also be pushed down in, okay, in the exhaust tube. Okay, getting all of you students now? So
Yes, sir.
really, who was that? Yes, who asked the doubt? किसका डाउट था वो? खान आफ्ताब. Khan
Sir,
Aftab.
attendance.
See, I have taken the attendance. Don't worry about the attendance in this lockdown. First, to see whether you are understanding or not. Have you understood why
Yes, sir.
camshaft rotates only 1 time in a cycle and crankshaft is rotating 2 times? Okay, next doubt is from Abhishek Mishra. Yes, I will solve one by one. Abhishek Mishra, in a 4-stroke engine, yes, as in a 4-stroke engine, the fuel and air mixture does not travel through the crankshaft as it is done in a 2-stroke. Why is it so? What happens if I put 2-stroke fuel in a 4-stroke engine? See, these are all, your thinking. You are thinking in a right way, but you just focus on your 4-stroke engine. We will study about 2-stroke engine, and then your picture will be clear. Okay, your picture will be clear, because in a 2-stroke engine the whole arrangement is different. There are no valves, there is no camshaft in a 2-stroke engine. Okay, the fuel air and mixture does not travel through the crankshaft as it does in a 2-stroke. Why is it so? Yes, you are going to get your doubts clear when you will study 2-stroke. We will study the difference also. Next, in a 4-stroke engine, again your Abhishek Mishra, in a 4-stroke engine the fuel and air mixture does not travel through the crankshaft. Okay. Next, sir, if ratio of rotation is 1:1, then it will be 2-stroke. No. Salman Ansari, no. If ratio of rotation is 1:1, then it will not be 2-stroke engine. See, 2-stroke engine is one in which 2 strokes, in 2-stroke only the cycle is completed. See, if the ratio is 1:1, what will happen? Crankshaft will rotate 1 time and the camshaft will rotate 1 time. Okay, so in single cycle, what will happen? Crankshaft is also rotating 2 times, camshaft is also rotating 2 times. What will happen if this camshaft is rotating 2 times in a cycle? What will happen? The valve will open 2 times and this valve will open 2 times in a cycle, which is not required. So the engine will not work properly. Okay, see, I have given you, see, all of you, I have given you the option. I think I have given you all the options, okay, to unmute yourself. Okay, so you can ask me directly also now. Yes, Khan Aftab Alam, sir, how does 1342 pattern happen? 1342 pattern is allowed. The setting is done in such a way, that when the piston is moving up, the air fuel mixture will come inside in the first piston, in the first combustion chamber first, then it will be the air fuel mixture will be supplied to the third, because the cam is opening there. See, when you will study later about carburetors and the whole arrangement, you will understand this. Okay, there is a arrangement, okay, mechanical arrangement only, not about sensors I am telling. Mechanical arrangement wherein the spark plugs are also given the spark in this pattern only, 1 3 4 2. Okay, so when the piston is moving up, okay, nowadays sensors are also there. So with the help of sensors, the signal is given to the ECU that the piston, the third piston is moving. Let's say for example the third piston is moving up in the compression stroke, the signal is sent, and then at that time only the spark plug is ignited. Okay, we will study that later, students. Yes, someone was raising hand. Someone was raising hand. You can ask me directly. You can see, you can talk now. I have given permission to unmute yourself. You can ask me directly. Sir, how fast is this process? See, in 1 second, it can happen that, you know, an engine in 1 second there can be 100 cycles also. In 1 second, okay, if there is a high speed engine, there in 1 second there can be 100 cycles. You can get an a small picture clear about this. See, an engine rotates at a speed of 5000 rpm also and 10,000 rpm also. Engine is very fast. Okay, if it is rotating at 10,000 rpm, student, at its high speed, so you can imagine if 10,000 rotations of the crankshaft is done in 1 minute, how many cycles are completed in 1 minute? Okay, getting all of you 5,000 cycles, half of that, है in one cycle 2 rotation of the crankshaft. Therefore, if the crankshaft is rotated 10,000 times in 1 minute, then in 1 minute 5,000 cycles are completed. So you can imagine in 1 minute how many times the spark plug is igniting in a single combustion chamber. So this is a very fast process. Okay, nowadays, because it is a very fast process, to control it, ECUs are installed, sensors are installed everywhere. You know, it is automatically controlled with the help of programming and all. We'll study that later, students. Yes, someone was raising hand. Can you ask me doubts directly?
18 ME 30, sir.
You all are able to hear me now, students. You can unmute yourself and ask your doubts directly. All of you are able to hear me now, students.
So how much RPM does this engine makes?
Sorry?
So how much RPM this engine makes in inline 4-stroke engine?
Inline 4-stroke engine also, see, in an inline 4-stroke engine also there is variation. You it is depending upon how you have designed your engine. Okay, it can be about 5,000 rpm. Okay, it can be 2,000 rpm, it can be 6,000 rpm. Okay, it is on you how you design it. It is on the engineer how he has designed it. It is not depending on a inline engine. Okay, it is depending on how you design it. Okay, how well you have designed it, what is your requirement of the engine, whether you want very high speed, whether you want low speed, whether you want more torque. Okay, whether you are going to fit it in an automobile only, or you are going to use it for some industries for rotating something. Okay, sir, how fast is this process? सर फ्यूल में सीएनजी गैस यूज करेंगे तो भी ऐसा ही वर्किंग होगा क्या? यस, सी सीएनजी गैस वर्किंग इज टोटली डिफरेंट. ओके, सीएनजी गैस द सेल्फ इग्निशन टेम्परेचर इज डिफरेंट. ओके, सो you know there are you can say there is the working is little bit different. जैसे कि एसआई और सीआई में डिफरेंस है, वहाँ पे स्पार्क प्लग नहीं यूज हो रहा है, यहाँ पर स्पार्क प्लग यूज हो रहा है. वैसे सीएनजी गैस अगर यूज करते हैं हम लोग तो उसका सेल्फ इग्निशन टेम्परेचर देखना पड़ेगा, तभी तो रेट्रो फिटिंग अलाउड नहीं है. जैसे कि हम लोग कोई इंजन खरीदते हैं पेट्रोल इंजन, और उसके बाद में we go to a local mechanic and we get a retrofitting which is which is not from the company. Retrofitting मतलब जो कंपनी की तरफ से नहीं है, आप अपनी तरफ से कर रहे हो. ओके, तो retrofitting इसलिए अलाउड नहीं है. बीच में ऐसा हुआ था कि in Delhi it was not allowed to convert a petrol engine into a CNG engine. Okay, because the whole arrangement, an engineer when he designs about keeping in mind I'm going to use it for petrol only. So the design does not support for a CNG. That is why the engine gets spoiled in some years if you are getting converted your petrol engine into CNG engine. The working is little bit different. Okay, ऐसा working नहीं होगा. Okay. Yes, Zaid Chaudhary, Ya Rahmatullah. Yes, what do you mean? Do you have any doubt? 18ME15. Zaid Chaudhary, do you want to ask something? Yes, do you have any doubts, students, or should I end the lecture now? Any doubts? See, there can be many doubts till now.
सर एंड करो ना, नमाज पढ़ने जाने का अभी लेक्चर
Sorry?
145.
दूसरा लेक्चर भी है ना?
हाँ सर, नमाज पढ़ने भी जाने का अभी.
Okay, I will end it now. Just a second, I will take one more screenshot so that I can keep a record of the attendance. Okay, can we
sir.
use programming in it? Yes, see the ECU which is used here now. The ECU which is used here, okay, ECU is is programmed only. ECU here, which is used, it is a programmable thing. Okay, ECU is programmable and you can use it. Okay, and you cannot install a computer inside it or something, but what I can say, there is an arrangement wherein the ECU is programmed. Okay, the ECU is programmed and it is running the whole engine. Okay, the whole setting is put inside the ECU, and once it is installed, whole setting is done. And if some problems come, then with the help of onboard diagnosis and all, okay, it is getting rectified. Okay, programming हुआ रहता है ECU में. Okay, the whole thing is programmed in the latest engines which are there. Yes, any other doubt? Yes, you can leave, students, now, and you can join your another session. I have taken the attendance. You can leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Abhishek, see, in electrical vehicle, in which kind of engine is used? In electrical vehicle, see, in electrical vehicle, engine is not used. Okay, in electrical vehicle, engine is only not used. In hybrid vehicles, engine and battery is used, but in electrical vehicle, engine is not used. Salman, what is ECU? Electrical control unit, electronic control unit, ECU. Okay, which is controlling the whole engine with the help of sensors and all. Okay, you might be have learned about it in your industrial electronics somewhere. Okay, what is an ECU? Somewhere you might have gone through it. ECU, electronic control unit, it is controlling the whole engine. It is programmed. Okay, electrical vehicle, there is a motor is running the your gearbox and all. Okay, or it is also possible in your latest vehicle, you don't require a gearbox only. You can control the speed of the your motor with the help of programming. Okay, so in electrical vehicle, there is no engine, there is a motor. Okay, ECU is an electronic control unit. Okay, and it is having all its board. Okay, there is a board in it and it is programmed, and from that all the sensors information is collected through it, and from that it can control your various operations. Okay, just like a computer, how it is controlling, just like a computer, it can be programmed. Okay, yes, hybrid engine hybrid engine is something, you know, in which, you know, you are using your electrical energy also and your fuel energy also. Okay, तो वहां पर भी मोटर होता है, तो आपको जब इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी चाहिए आप इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी यूज कर सकते हो, और जब आपको फ्यूल एनर्जी चाहिए, आप जब आपको इंजन रन करना है तो आप वैसे भी यूज कर सकते हो उसको. ओके, मोटर कोई कोई इंजन में मोटर भी होता है, अदरवाइज यू नो देयर इज अ डिफरेंट लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट्स आल्सो. हाइब्रिड इंजन में आप इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर भी कभी यूज करते हो, कभी ये भी यूज करते हो. ओके, सो हाइब्रिड इंजन्स आर you know a combination of your electric vehicle or electrical motor and your this internal combustion engine. Okay, hybrid engine is in that way. Okay, okay students, you can leave now, you can join your other sessions.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. हाँ यस, सी कोई कोई इंजन सलमान अंसारी, कोई इंजन अगर पेट्रोल और गैस दोनों पर चलती है तो उसके लिए अलग इंजन डिजाइन होता है प्रीवियसली. अगर उसको पेट्रोल और गैस दोनों पे चलाना है, जैसे कि अभी बहुत सारी कार्स आ रही है wherein you know it can run on petrol also and it can run on CNG also, whichever you want. Okay, so उसका इंजन डिजाइन अलग ही होता है. Okay, and the settings are done, you know, when you are switching on petrol the settings change. Okay, which things you have to run, which you don't have to run, and if it is running on gas then the automatically, you know, there are with the help of ECU the settings are changed. Okay, so it has a different design totally. Okay, you can join the other sessions now.